Financial discipline becomes hardest when life already feels heavy, when you are emotionally tired, when responsibilities are stacked, when unexpected expenses appear, when you are just trying to survive the month. In heavy seasons, money pressure doesn't just stay financial, it becomes emotional. It becomes stress in your chest. It becomes quiet anxiety at night. It becomes avoidance, and avoidance is where instability begins. Let's say something calmly and honestly. Financial discipline is not about intensity, it is about steadiness. In heavy seasons, you don't need dramatic financial changes. You need clarity and small corrections. Many people feel ashamed when money is tight, especially responsible adults, especially providers, especially people others depend on. But shame delays structure. Discipline begins without shame. So here is the first stabilizing principle: clarity before control. Before you try to fix your finances, you need to see them clearly. Write down 3 simple things: your income, your fixed expenses, your flexible spending. No judgment, no emotional reaction, just visibility. Financial anxiety often grows in vagueness. Clarity reduces emotional noise. The second principle: small tightening decisions. When life is heavy, big financial overhauls create more stress. Instead ask, what is one adjustment I can make this month? One subscription pause, one spending boundary, one delayed purchase, one structured budget review. Small discipline builds confidence. Confidence builds stability. The third principle: separate identity from income. You are not irresponsible because you faced financial pressure. You are not a failure because a season was tight. You are not behind because recovery is slow. Financial seasons change. Character remains. Discipline is not punishment, it is protection. And in heavy seasons, protection matters. Now let's connect something deeper. When financial pressure increases, emotional exhaustion increases too. That's why emotional awareness and financial awareness must work together. If you are rebuilding, don't just tighten spending, also tighten boundaries. Say no to emotional overextension. Say no to financial overextension. Structure creates calm. If you feel overwhelmed financially right now, start here this week. Write your real numbers. Choose one small adjustment. Review again in 7 days. No drama, no panic, no self-attack, just quiet discipline. Stability is not built through intensity, it is built through rhythm, and rhythm survives heavy seasons. If this brought clarity, follow for weekly calm and structure. And if you are ready to reset emotionally and financially, start the free 5-day reset in the description. You don't need hype. You need stability.